ZX Electric. Outsider Music Lo-Fi Gothic Post-Punk D. Y. Shae Tull, Andy K, Leland, Stevie Moore, Quint Baker, Moondog, Jandek, Tom Waits. More Tom Waits, the best Tom Waits albums of all time, 579 of 739. The best singers of all time, 227 of 1891. The greatest musical artists of all time. Iggy Pop. More Iggy Pop, the best Iggy Pop albums of all time, 86 of 363 musicians who belong in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Ariel Pink. The Red Krayola. Sun Ra. Revitte. The Fugs. Brian Wilson. More Brian Wilson. The true story behind the film Love and Mercy, best Brian Wilson albums of all time. Nick Drake. Captain Beefheart and his Magic Band. Frank Zappa. Spence. Syd Barrett. More Syd Barrett, 323 of 1728. The best rock bands of all time, 173, 639. The greatest lead guitarists of all time. Daniel Johnston.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.